Well, another day in the life of an insurance agent. At the office, one of the questions I often get asked is I'm looking for some life insurance and I don't even know what to ask. I don't know what I'm looking for. How do I even decide if I'm getting the right advice? So that's what we're going to uncover today. How to decide on a life insurance product. All right, so let's get started. My name is David Matkosky, and our agency is called Vistaplan Financial Group. Today, we're going to look at 3 points on how you decide on a life insurance product that you're looking for. Number 1 is you have to start with what you know. What is your budget? You might be young and starting a new family, starting a new business, maybe starting a new profession. And your income in the future is going to be much higher than it is today. So it might be wise today to be starting with a less expensive insurance product. At some stage in the future, your income is going to go up, and then you can look at other products. So when you're starting out, you have to understand how life insurance products are priced. For example, term insurance products are the lowest price initially. So when you're looking at, if your budget is small and you're looking for an insurance product, usually people want to start with term insurance. Term insurance starts out to be the least expensive in the early years. It does go up in the later years, but when you're starting out, term insurance will give you the most coverage for the lowest premium. Another product is Universal Life. Universal Life starts a little more expensive, and if your budget is past that kind of starting stage and your income is a little bit higher, and now you're looking for coverage that's a little more permanent, you might be looking for a Universal Life product. And always remember, you can mix Universal Life with term insurance and have a combination of the two. So you might have $100,000 of Universal Life insurance and $400,000 of term insurance if you needed $500,000 of coverage. So remember, you can always mix the two together. Then if you're getting on in life or you have more money than you're able to spend every month, then you might be looking for a whole life policy. Whole life policies are more expensive, but they provide for significant cash value growth. So you have to know what your budget is. When you're starting out, you have to start there. What's my budget? Can I afford a whole lot on a monthly premium? Or do I need a small monthly premium to start out? So depending on where you are along in your work career will determine on which insurance product you should start with. But always remember, term insurance will be the least expensive. Universal Life will be a little more expensive because of the features it offers, and then whole life will be even more expensive than that because of the significant cash value that it's going to build up in a policy. The second thing you have to know is why are you buying the life insurance and how long are you going to need it? Are you buying the life insurance to cover a mortgage? You know the fixed number. Maybe your mortgage is $700,000, so you need a policy for $700,000. Maybe you're starting a new business and you need, or an existing business, and you're just taking up more bank loans. And now you know you have a bank loan for $1 million, so you know you need $1 million of life insurance. Or you might be buying life insurance for your family. And now you might be looking at replacing an income for your spouse of maybe 15 to 20 years. So you have somebody can help you calculate how much money do you need for the next 15 or 20 years to support that spouse. An easy way to calculate this is if you're looking for income for 20 years and you know that income is $6,000 or $7,000 a month, simply take $7,000 a month times 12 times 20 years. That'll give you a rough idea of how much life insurance you need. So number 1, you have to know what your budget is. And number 2, you have to know why you're buying the life insurance. Number 3, understand that this isn't going to be the final purchase in your lifetime. many times, and I've been doing this for a long time, as a rule of thumb, people buy several life insurance policies through their lifetime. When they're getting going and their family is young, they may have a certain type of policy. Then as they go through life, that need changes, and therefore the policy might need some changing. So remember, you're not trying to make a decision today that's going to last 40, 50, 60, 70 years. You're simply making a decision today to solve an immediate problem. Know what your immediate problem is and try to solve it using life insurance. So again, know your budget. How much do you want to spend? Are you starting out? Are you advanced in your career? Do you have a very substantial income already? Know what your budget can be. Number 2, know why you're buying the life insurance. Are you buying it to provide an income or to pay a bill if something should happen to you? And number 3 is understand that this isn't the last life insurance purchase you're going to make in your lifetime. So when you're young, you're 30 years old and you're buying your first life insurance policy, it's very likely that you're going to have 2 or 3 life insurance policies during your lifetime. On the other hand, if you're 45 or 50, now you may be looking to make a longer decision with your life insurance because maybe this is one of the last purchases you're going to make with life insurance because you're getting older. So there's several different ways to decide on the life insurance purchase you're going to make, but always understand that just relax about it and talk about the basics. What's my budget? Why am I buying it? How long am I going to need it? And somebody will help you decide on an insurance product that's right for you. Thank you very much for listening. In the next few minutes, you're going to see a slide. If you have any questions about this video or other videos that we've produced, or if you'd like to hear me speak about a topic on any topic that you are concerned about, send me a quick email. Go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to our channel. We try to put out a video every Wednesday, and we talk about life insurance and disability insurance and how you should cover yourself properly. So thanks for listening. Bye-bye.